Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix where reviewing your info on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly here you're going to find your profile section. As you can see guys right here, this is how the message looks like. We're reviewing your info. It usually takes us around a day. We'll notify you when the review is finished. If we can confirm your info, you'll be able to use Instagram again. If we can't, your account will be permanently disabled. So basically guys, the only solution to this problem is just wait it out. As you can see guys, they will tell you that you need 24 hours at least. So just wait for like 24 hours to 48 hours and then you're going to receive the notification when the review is finished. If you don't receive a notification within a day or 2 days, then just go ahead and contact Instagram support and tell them that you didn't receive any notification and they're gonna be answering you. Also, you can try to log out from your account and then log in again. In order to do that, just go to your profile page, go here to the settings, and then once you're here, scroll all the way down until you find log out. Click on log out and then log out from this account and try to log in again. And this is it. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.